The purpose of this video is to make sure that students who are solving questions from primary mathematics book 4 will get exact solutions of the word problem. So I have taken question number 2 from page number 89, chapter 3, lesson 5. The question is, Siti had $45. She spent the 1/3 of her money on books and 5/9 on stationery. How much money did she spend? So it means 1/3 and 5/9 are the fractions of the money which are already spent, and we have to add these fractions in order to get the total amount of money she actually spent. By adding these fractions, the answer we will get has to multiply it with $45. Then we will get the solution of this question. Let's move to the solution. However, solving the fractions, there are certain rules which we need to follow. What is that? One by one we have to check. 1/3 plus 1/9 cannot be added because they both have different denominators. However, numerators, if there are different numerators, there are no certain rules applied to it, but we have to be very much focused about equalization of denominators. So 3 and 9 are not equal. We have to make them equal. After making them equal, then they will be added together. Similar rule can be applied for subtraction as well. And if you know that there are certain books where these questions are solved through these units method, in this situation, both the denominators which have different denominators cannot be solved together. It means like 1/3, you can check on the left side that 1/3 only one brick is 1 and total units are 3, and on the right side 5 bricks are yellow and total units are 9. So they can be solved separately but cannot be together. So what we are going to do with 1/3 and 5/9, we have to equalize the denominators. Let us check one by one both the denominators. 3, the smaller one is 3 and the bigger one is 9, and we all know that 9 comes in the table of 3. So 3 times 3 equals to 9. Here I have done 1/3 multiplied by 3 divided by 3 equals to 3/9, and 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9. We cannot do it like that, just to multiply the denominator with 3. However, we have to make sure that anything which we have added in the equation must be subtracted, or anything which we have put in the we have put the number, like multiply the number with certain number, then we have to divide it as well. Like suppose 1 multiplied by 3 equals to 3 and 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9. 3/3, here just we need the 3 with denominator, but we have done what? Put the 3 on numerator as well. This is the rule. We cannot add, subtract, multiply or divide separately. Both things like addition and subtraction are the siblings here, and multiplication and division are the siblings here. So the answer we get 3/9. Now 3/9 and 5/9 fractions have equal denominators. Fractions can be represented through units method, and total units here are 9, and 3 units have spent on books, while 5 on stationery and 1 is left. Total units of money she spent on books and stationery equals to 3/9 plus 5/9, and denominator we can put it once, and in the numerator 3 plus 5, the answer we will get 8/9. This is the fraction we get after addition. And now total money she spent on books and stationery, what we will get is to multiply this fraction with the total amount of money. The numerators are 8 multiplied by 8 and 45, and denominator is 9. So 9 times 1 equals 9 times 1 equals to 9, and 9 times 5 equals to 45. It means 45 comes in the table of 9, and cross cutting is allowed here. The remaining numbers are 8 multiplied 8 and 5, so they are multiplied because there is sign of multiplication. However, I have not written 1 because in the denominator we know that every number can be converted into fraction by writing 1 in the denominator, and if we will write it or not, it doesn't matter. Like in the method of integers, that there are positive integers as well as negative integers, and if you put no sign in the integers, it means these are positive integers. So 8 times 5 is what? The answer is 40 rupees.